Dentures are a way to replace missing teeth, whether it be few teeth or all the teeth in the mouth. And that's really the difference between a full denture and a partial denture. Dentures can be something that is removable or something that is fixed. Anybody that is missing multiple teeth is a good candidate for a denture. So some benefits to a denture: it's a much quicker way to replace multiple teeth. It's less time usually in the dental office. And dentures do have great aesthetic results for the patient. So a lot of patients choose dentures over other ways of replacing teeth, such as dental implants or bridges, just for the convenience and the time in the dental chair. The main health benefits to dentures are the ability to eat and chew the foods that you need to eat to be healthy. So if you're missing teeth or you don't have any teeth, you are severely limited or handicapped on the foods you can eat. So a lot of the healthy foods that might require you to chew, crunch, and grind are almost impossible if you don't have any teeth or you're missing large areas of teeth or multiple teeth. So by replacing those areas with either a full denture or partial dentures, you're able to eat and chew and eat those good healthy foods that allow you to be a healthy individual. Dentures are a very good and cost-effective way for patients to replace worn or broken down dentition. They allow a patient to gain their confidence back. They allow a patient to be able to eat and chew foods they weren't before. There are a lot of our patients are reluctant or worry about the idea of dentures because they think they might have to go without teeth. One very, very important thing I think people need to understand, there are things such as immediate dentures that allow you to leave the office with a very aesthetic, very nice looking set of teeth.